This is Shur on Tefilla. We got to the David, Tefilla David Hatashtem Osnecha, and we are toward the end of it. David HaMelech makes a very interesting Tefilla. Now, they said there was an election and Trump was elected as the president of the United States, and everybody's so happy that Trump is the president because he's a very good friend of Israel and will help Israel. Therefore, the reliance of the Qahari Israel would be on him. If that happens, that is not good. That's very dangerous. You have to understand that we rely on HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Rosh Hashem, the one who protects us is Rosh Hashem. It's not Trump or anybody like that. Our trust and our bitachon is not basar v'dam. Now, David HaMelech, that right, he says something very interesting that we say in Tefillah every day. Ase imi od letova biruson ay bevoshu ki ata Hashem azartani v'nechamtani. Hashem, he asked HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Hashem, please have Rahman Odani, turn to me. Before it says, Pen elai b'choneni, turn to me, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and have gracious with me. Ten avdecha l'avdecha, give your strength to your servant. V'hoshia le'v'lametecha, and please save the son of V'lametecha. There was David HaMelech, he's traveling very hard. HaKadosh Baruch Hu, you should help me out. The Pasuk before says, Hashem ki rachum v'chanun, because you are mercy, gracious, erech ha'payim v'chesed emet. You are prolong your anger and abundant of kindness and truth. Now, since you are like that, I rely on you. Now, Asemi Odetova. Hashem, I know that you're going to save me. But Hashem, please, Hashem, do to me, show me Odetova, a sign for good. A sign that I see goodness. Now, why do I need a sign? If Hashem is doing it, why do I need to have a sign? In order that my enemies should see that and they're going to be shamed. I don't need a sign to be approval of you. I know that whatever that you do is good. I have a full trust in you. But as a mirror to God, give me a sign that the enemies that they are talking against me and they are ready to destroy me, they should see that and they should because they should see that you, Hashem, as you are the one who helped me and you are the one who consoled me. It's interesting. David HaMelech says that I want that you should do me a sign that my enemies should see, and in other words, imagine David HaMelech got saved and everything went well. Everybody says, wow, how powerful David HaMelech is. The enemies would see strength, chokhmah, bina, that of David HaMelech. And that's, by the way, that's the intention of all of us. We want to show ourselves. We want, at the end of the day, people should see how smart I am, how well I did the job, how fantastic I did. Everybody should be talking, everybody should be amazed. Deep down, a person wants that. David HaMelech is David HaKadosh Baruch Hu. He says, Hashem, I don't want that. It's betraying you. It's not right to you. It's not justice to you. That you do everything and I get the credit. You should do me a good sign that my enemies should see and they should see you are the one, Hashem, you help me and you console me. Not that my chokhmah, my wisdom, and they got it, I become the point of admiration for all of the goyim around me. No, to be a sign that they should see that you are doing it, and you should get your credit, not me. Unbelievable point here, David HaMelech teaching this. In other words, in our praying with HaKadosh Baruch Hu, dealing with Hashem, a lot of times, good, the person is successful, and what? In other words, how do you want to view that? And the other way also is true. The Midrash tells us, when a lot of Yisurim came to David HaMelech, two people in Navi had the greatest Yisurim. One was Yaakov, one was David. David, from the time of birth, he had Yisurim, of the father, from the mother, all life Yisurim. One time Yisurim got to a point, very deeply intense Yisurim. David HaMelech goes to his rabbi and asks him something. He says, what? says, see, I feel bad. Why do I feel bad? He says that everybody sees me, that all of the Surim coming to me, then what happens? They say, he's Obed Hashem, he serves HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and see what happened to him. Zechirul Hashem, Zechirul Hashem. I don't want Chilul Hashem should happen. So we told Hasis Rabbi, maybe I'm allowed to do Avodah Zarah. I want to bow down to Avodah Zarah. That I hate to do that. That's against my existence. But I want to do it. Why? Because when people see that all of these Surim happen to me, there's a good reason for it. I'm not such a chassid. I'm not such a great person. Right now, people say, oh, chassid ata. Oh, you're such a great person. See, how are you living? And that's Chilul Hashem. Unbelievable mind. Unbelievable way of thinking. It's unbelievable. When we talk about David, it's okay, David was I don't understand what's David. Abu Melech was ready to do Avodah Zarah in front of all the Israel. You see, such a great bizarre, such a disgracing to come and do Avodah Zarah in front of everybody. Why? Because the way that you are going is Zechirul Hashem. People say you're such a chassid, you're such a great person, and see what happened to you. Therefore, the Rabbi says, no, don't go that route. That route is very bad, it's terrible. Don't do it. But he had the feelings to do that. Here also, he said, please show me a sign that the Goyim should know that you did. You are helping me. It's very important. It's so in life. The person has to know at the end of the day who is the source of admiration, who is the source that gets credit. The source that gets credit is HaKadosh Baruch Hu, not the person himself, not this smartness, not this cleverness. That's the job. At the end of the day, we have to attribute everything to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Here also, we attribute it to Hashem. Hashem would help us. And it's a sign, it's a real sign that's showing to us that the Goyim should see and be embarrassed. And we should know that's not our things that he's doing. HaKadosh Baruch Hu is helping us.